Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Farlight 84 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box and now type in Farlight 84 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. Scroll down and click on Add to Library in order to add this game to your collection. After this, you can click on the Play Game or the Play Now option to begin the download and installation. Just choose your install location and click on the Install button. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Farlight 84 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Farlight 84 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.